പ്രിയപ്പെട്ട കൂട്ടുകാരെ, കുടുംബക്കാരെ, സ്വന്തക്കാരെ, ഇത് നമ്മുടെ ചുള്ളനായ വിവേകം, നമ്മുടെ സുന്ദരിയായ മോനിഷയുടെയും ഒരു പ്രണയകഥ.
അത് പിന്നെ ചേട്ടാ കൂട്ടിന് വരുമോ നീ? ഞാൻ സിംഗിളാണ്, റെഡിയാണ്, നിന്നെ കണ്ട മാത്രം വയസ്സ് ട്വിങ്കിളാണ്, ഉള്ളിൽ നിങ്ങളാണ്, വെറുതെ തിങ്കളാണ്, നീ വന്ന് കൂട്ടു പിടിച്ചാൽ മനസ്സ് നിങ്ങൾ
On the floor, baby, hit it hard, baby, rock the body, baby, patulengi podi.
I need that blue white bitch on Depop, she a little teapot, 2 left feet, them Reebok. Shawty did freelance, now she a free thought. Shoulda never let the bitch alone with my sweet minds. Got a bitch get pit popping in my Reeboks, talking about a detox, busy like a beatbox. All grown up bitch, looking like Salid, not that booty. I need that blue white bitch on Depop, she a little teapot, 2 left feet, them Reebok. Shawty did freelance, now she a free thought. Shoulda never let the bitch alone with my sweet minds. Got a bitch get pit popping in my Reeboks, talking about a detox, busy like a beatbox. All grown up bitch, looking like Salid, not that booty. I need that blue white bitch on Depop, she a little teapot, 2 left feet, them Reebok. Shawty did freelance, now she a free thought. Shoulda never let the bitch alone with my sweet minds. Got a bitch get pit popping in my Reeboks, talking about a detox, busy like a beatbox. All grown up bitch, looking like Salid, not that booty.
Could've been 30, could've been a G. Should've never snitched, why you take it to police? Now they're looking at you funny when you're walking down the street, looking at you like food, trying to see where they can eat. Me, I'm like Wallow and Gilly with the game. You don't really wanna act silly, behave. When I was on stage and a million gets made. I need that breeze. I feel sorry for Skepta, they copied these flow, but they said that it's a new flow. Imitation don't flatter me, but it's cool though. Should've ever left the guy alone in my studio.
I need that.
Money in my motherfucking briefcase, C-pay. Every time I kill a beat, I probate, okay. Circulated paper, let it rotate all day. Need it in my hands, no Allstate, Not Rushmore when I'm looking for the big face. So much value when I gotta get a replay. Gotta hustle hard with the flow, so I tell the DJ.
Give me that
paper in my pocket, I need that.
Tell you what the hardest thing is. What do you think of the red?
Thank you.
Binja? I'm going crazy.
I can't.
Sir? Well, too much. The wedding, dude. Extremely too much.
Is it cringe? I like
Cringe as hell, huh?
I love it.
ഇന്ന് വളരെ സന്തോഷമുള്ള ദിവസമാണ്. ഇറ്റ്സ് മൈ ബെസ്റ്റ് ഫ്രണ്ട്സ് ബോത്ത് ഓഫ് ദം. അവരുടെ കല്യാണമാണ്. അപ്പോൾ ഐ എം റിയലി ഹാപ്പി. I just got my best friend married, guys.
ഈ കല്യാണം നടന്നത് തന്നെ എൻ്റെ ഓരോരു പൊട്ടത്തരം കാരനാണ്. ബട്ട് ഐ എം സോ ഹാപ്പി ദാറ്റ് ദേ ആർ ടുഗദർ റൈറ്റ് നൗ ആൻഡ് ദിസ് ഈസ് ദ ബെസ്റ്റ് തിങ് ദാറ്റ് കുഡ് ഹാപ്പൻ എവർ. ഐ ലവ് യു മോനി ആൻഡ് വിബ്സ്.
Hi Moni and Vivek, congrats on getting married. You've always been a part of my lives and major people, and I'm so happy that this day finally happened. I love you guys so much.
I'll be like this.
Congratulations to both of you. I've been waiting for this day for a long time. I hope you are very well and a good life ahead for both of you.
Too cute.
have Monisha in our family, and Kshetra is the best person you can have as a friend, as a brother, and as everything. And I'm so happy that he found his forever, and I hope they have the best life together.
பட 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 படவன எந்தன் கண்ணம்மா நீ தொட 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 துடிக்குது எந்த நெஞ்சம்மா ஹே சிலு 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 சிலுவென கொஞ்சம் செல்லம்மா நான் சட 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 மழையென வந்தேன் கண்ணம்மா